Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about how to pursue both CA and CMA at same time. Okay, most of the students are worried about the syllabus. They need to take CA class coaching classes or CMA separate coaching classes. Okay, so in this video I'll discuss about the how many course curriculum is same in CA and CMA and the different portion how we can easily manage. Okay, and the main critical issue to pursue both CA and CMA at same time is related with training. How to pursue CA course training, how to pursue CMA course training. So each and everything I will discuss about the best strategy you can do training from one firm, and this will count in CMA training, CMA course and CMA course. The best strategy to clear CA, CMA at both time, and my personal suggestion on this also. So guys, first of all, if you so guys, my suggestion to you, it will totally depend on candidate to candidate whether you need to continue both CA and CMA. Although my suggestion to you, if you have a if you have a ability to pursue both CA and CMA, although 75% course curriculum is same and the remaining 25% we have the capability, we have already studied that much 75%, so that the remaining 25% we can easily manage with self-study and with the help of reference book and YouTube. Lot many content is available on YouTube with the remaining 25% syllabus. Okay, so if you want to, if you are taking classes of CA, then you need not to take the classes of CMA. But if you are taking CMA, then you can take the classes of you need not to take the class of CA. But my suggestion to you, if any candidate pursuing both CA and CMA, you should take classes of CA. Reason is that easily you can, if you take the class of CA, you can easily manage the CMA. Okay, and in CA coaching classes we have a, you can say that, too many options. Okay, you will in cheap classes you will receive cheap classes and too many teachers availability. So my suggestion to you, if I pursue both CA and CMA, then I'll go with the CA coaching classes and I'll manage self-study with the CMA, which I can easily manage. I can assure you that. So 75% course curriculum is same. If you are asking the question related with the course curriculum, 75% course curriculum is same, and the remaining 25% we have the capability. We are a professional guy, easily we can manage the self-study of remaining 25%. Okay, and should we pursue both same time, CA or CMA? So my suggestion to you, this decision is totally depend on candidate to candidate. If you have ability, so this is a yes, I can accept that. If you have 2 degree, so yes, this will benefit a lot to you, but you have a good practical experience, rather just getting more and more degrees. You have a practical experience and you have a good theoretical knowledge. If you have a good practical experience, means you did good articleship, you learn as much as possible in practical training, so easily you can get good job and good hike and good package. Okay, and how to do guys training in a same firm. So guys, my suggestion to you, after completing first group of CA inter, you should enroll yourself in the training firm in which there is a separate consultancy division, and you should work under the separate consultancy division. And the benefit of this training, you can take exemption in CMA course. CMA course allow to do a CMA candidate training in CA firm only if there is a separate management consultancy division and the candidate work under the same. So hope you get your answer. After completing first group of CA inter, you should enroll yourself in a CA firm in which there is a separate management consultancy division, and you should work under the same. And you can also, this training will count in CA and also this training will count in CMA. So hope you get the answers. Okay, and yes, if you pursue both CA and CMA, this will benefit a lot to you. After completing this these 2 courses, you can easily get the job, but you have a good practical experience and good theoretical knowledge. Okay, so this is all about, I have tried to you can say that, I have also seen that lot many candidates want to pursue both CA and CMA, so I have tried to make a video to resolve all the question. And after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.